Hello everyone, welcome back to another video by the YouTube channel of easyJulia Coding by Mathematician. So this week we will continue working on Julia programming language, mostly in text editor of Atom. Now I'm gonna start some coding, so I just write the familiar codes, print, another one, so I run them. When Julia is running something, this bar will show that the Julia is running here. We will see that more. Now I press Command Shift P or Control Shift P in Windows in order to see the command palette here. We can search some commands here. Now I'm gonna search the clear REPL so we can see this. So if I press Command J, Command C, we will see that okay, we are able to clear our EPL. Okay, let's do another way. So I write almost the same codes here very fast. Okay, now I'm gonna clear the REPL again. So I choose view here, then toggle command palette. Okay, you see here, so I'm pressing that, then I'm searching again, clear. So this time I don't press here, but I will try here. So I press Command J, release, Command C. Okay, very good. So we clean the REPL. Now here let's practice the previous week's stuff here. I can generate new Julia file here. Of course I did it already. So here I write again the same codes as previous week. So I make it a little bit fast. So here, okay, I do write the optional one now, and I will write the same surface here. Okay, so in Atom, if I press Shift Enter, it will run just the command, the line that I am there. But if I press Command Shift Enter, it will run from the beginning. So let's try just the third line. As you can see that, okay, this means the surface is not defined by default, so we need to load the plots package, which we didn't because we didn't press Command Shift Enter. So this time I'm pressing those ones together, and here the bar is showing that Julia is working. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, unfortunately we've got some errors. Okay, but we will try to figure out what the problem is. I prefer to close this one. Okay, I'm reading the type of error here. Okay, range. Okay, got it. Yeah, I wrote the lengths wrong, so I missed a G here, so I correct that, and I do run everything again. Now let's wait a little bit. Okay, okay, so Atom has an advantage to show the plots in its own environment. Okay, here, so I cleaned my REPL here. Now with the plot, we can little bit maybe play with this, so we can like zoom in here, or we can zoom out, or if we change, we can reset it back, everything. Unfortunately I can't rotate this, so what I'm gonna do for rotating is here I'm writing the camera here and giving some angles. One of them will be horizontal angle, and the other one will be vertical angle. So I run everything again together. Okay, so as you see that nothing happened. Let's try another one. Okay, so I'll write 30. So again nothing happened. Well, the problem is that camera is not defined in plots package, so we need to call other packages or backend other packages that we defined or installed in previous video. But how I gonna backend, some of the packages that we installed in previous week is in this way. Okay, just remember that unlike in calling as a package, we write the pyplot with little p's. I run everything again together, so command shift enter. Okay, we need to wait a little bit. Okay, yes, so camera worked and the plot has been rotated as well. Now let's change back, so because we will try other angles. Okay, what about this angle? Okay, and maybe we can try another one. Okay, good. So of course sometimes we need to save our picture. So if I do right click here, we will see that okay, unfortunately there is no save option here. So what we gonna do for saving is in this way. So I write save. Okay, let's discover. Okay, it seems that there is a command something like savefig. So in order to know how to use that, let's write question mark in REPL and savefig. So what help we want to get is this one. Okay, so from the help, especially in this blueprint one, okay, we see that we need to write that command and then file location name. Yes, I write save file, no savefig. Okay, then between two quotations I need to write the name of the file and the place that I want to save. But okay, the question is that where I am now, I need to figure out that. So I call my terminal here, then typing ls. Okay, so I see desktop. So yeah, for the purpose of the education I can save in desktop, but maybe I want to save in the document. It is also possible. I write desktop. I said that I prefer to save here, then after that slash, then the name of the file that I want to make. I will not write any format. Then I will press command shift enter. Okay, good. So I click on that. Okay, it's good. Okay, as you see that the format that the Julia built for the picture is PNG. So but what about if I wanna have in the other formats? Well, it actually depends on the package that we backended here, pyplot. So what if I wanna, let's try .jpg. If I write that and run everything, command shift enter. Okay, so JPG has not been supported in this package. So what we want to do for seeing some other formats, we will do in this way. So I open this website, which is the sub website of the Julia Lang. Okay, I will share this URL in the description section. So here you can see the supported formats. Okay, it seems that there is no JPG here, so but there are other formats. Let's try another format for saving our picture, which we built here in Julia. So I put usually my preference, the PDF one, which is appropriate for the mathematics publication. Okay, here. Okay, so this is the PDF that we wanted to make. Now let's go back to the default IDE. So we might see some slight difference there. So I open my default Julia IDE here. Okay, this one. So I will try to have the same comments here very fast. So I write this one, then run it, and then I need to wait a little bit. So now here, okay, I write this one, the same range, okay, and I write the surface comment here. So again, like last week's, we have the plot in the GKS term window. So let's try, actually let's backend PyPlot in default IDE, so we see that. Okay, and the same command for surface. I run it. So we have the plot in different window, and as you can see that's a little bit different with PyPlot, with if we backend PyPlot in default IDE. And more importantly, we have save option here. So as you can see that I changed the location here and I changed the name here. Of course you can use savefig command for default IDE, and I choose, and I can see that in the supported formats for the picture that I can build. Okay, now as you can see that my picture has been built in desktop. Okay, good. So these the slight difference that I wanted to show in default IDE. Okay, now let's talk about the size of the pictures that we built. We built this PNG, the second one is PDF, the third one is PNG. So the first one, let's see the information about that. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so the dimensions are 600 times 400. So what if we want to change the size, or the size that we want to have it? Before proceeding more, let's see the other that we built in the default IDE. You see that that's a little bit different. In order to build a desired size, we write after camera command comma size inside the brackets, then we can write the desired dimensions there. So I write, for example, 800 times 800. Then I need to change also the format. I need to make it in a, this time, yeah, just PNG, means deleting PDF. So then Command Shift Control. Okay, you see, okay, this file. So if we see the information of the new file, we see that the size is the one that we wanted to have. So that's good. So I would like to talk about changing theme or color, that about the plot that we built. So last week, if you remember, we installed PlotTheme as another package which will be useful in changing color and theme of the plot that we plotted already. So instead of calling all the package, we write theme just as like we did for PyPlot. I'm writing theme and default. The default color is the one that we built already. So instead of Command Shift Enter, we do run line by line. Now instead of default here, we can replace by other themes, dark, or you can see the lime. So I replace the default here by dark. Then I will do running shift enter, means running line by line. Okay, the color has been changed. I can do that with the line. So this is the last thing that I'm doing for this week. So yeah, this is the last one that we talked about plotting this week. I hope you guys enjoyed. So please subscribe us in order to get notified about our last week videos. I hope you enjoyed.